Hello guys, my name is Zach Fisher, and today I'm just going to be talking about drones and their implementation on the new technologies within our field. So what exactly are drones? So drones are pretty much, uh, some people call them UAVs, so unmanned air vehicles is what that stands for, and they're pretty much flying objects operated by someone on the ground. And so what this means is so someone will have there'll be usually it's like a small air piece of like an aircraft or something with like propellers or something like that. And that's the image that everybody thinks of. And then somebody will have a remote control with usually a camera, or there's a camera on your phone, or there's like a headset or something that allows you to see what the drone sees, and they're able to pilot it around. And this helps a lot of various commercial and industrial areas with different aspects, which we'll get into later on. So who uses these drones? So various first world countries use these, and different companies and consumers alike use these drones. So companies will use it to help gain information to make better decisions, where as consumers use them for fun, they use them for photography, whichever. And then also governments and militaries are looking to implement these drones into different ways. So where can we see drones being implemented? So we could see them being used in quality education, affordable and clean energy, and industry innovation and infrastructure. So drones can be used to teach even. So they can show a lot of new perspectives on nature or like anywhere on the planet really that we didn't know we could find. So they can be used for a lot of new perspectives and just some really cool stuff. And they can also be used to help students interact with their environment and really being able to give them a cool way to learn. And also with affordable and clean energy, there's already drones being used to replant deforested areas. So it's a really cool to see that, and also able to provide data for like endangered species or drones being able to be used in the water to test water quality, different things like that. And then we can see drones being used in innovation across a multitude of industries, whether it be construction, videography, or just entertainment in general. So the SWOT analysis of drones is kind of the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. So the strengths are, it's just like I said, it's innovation at its finest, and it allows for a huge opportunity, a lot of avenues for every industry. And the weaknesses are that it's still relatively new, and so with these drones can still be pretty expensive. And with these drones, they could right now at this point, most of your really expensive drones could still be more advanced. And I feel like within the next 5 years, we could really see some huge improvements to where they could actually be really stable pieces of technology. And then there's endless opportunities, as I just stated with this, as it allows companies to make wiser decisions and allows for new perspectives. And some of the threats are just customer trust and unreliability and media portrayal. And so when drones are being used now for film and anything else commercially, but the barriers are more so the cost, as I was talking about, just public trust. And then for Sweden to use these, we can see them being used in education, sustainability, and the no poverty SDGs, whether it be for deforestation, trying to gain a new perspective for education, or just providing new data for geographical poverty. So yeah, that's it.